This is the machine acceptance site of our street-out egg carton production line. Be sure Technologies egg box production line comes in street-out and site-out versions. The trajectory of the egg carton on a street-out egg carton production line is almost straight, from molding to stacking. This is the molding process, after molding to the conveyor chain into the drying line. This is a multi-layer drying line, and the egg box moves back and forth in a straight line inside. Egg cartons are transferred from top to bottom inside the drying line. This is the conveyor chain through which the egg cartons are transported to the hot pressing and stacking process. The whole production line looks very dominant and full of technology.